Welcome back to BRS here for January the 18th, 10 a.m. And I'll be doing some still photos. But today's real quick project is the old compressor house slash well house is falling in. And you can see way up there, it's got rims and tires and a pallet. And those 60-mile-an-hour gusts, what wasn't already rotting and ripping off, of course, coming off. I'm going to go inside and take you a little shot of it. This is only a 7x7, 7x8 maybe. I've already measured it. Got some rafter and joists I'm making in there for it. Going to need a all new top plate. Absolutely, it needs tore down. Just don't have the funds for it, and I don't plan on staying here too much longer. Let's go inside and get a sneak preview of what all's got to be done. Well, as you can see, the old construction, this thing was built back in the 50s out of that old hospital grade 5x8 ceramic type tile. Doesn't even have a concrete floor. It's got some kind of a makeshift footer under it. I had to put a lot of hay in here, and there's a reason for that. They come in from the well, turned up and run across the floor. And so every year I fight and I battle. And this is dangerous. I mean, yeah, I don't use anything but these 100-watt bulbs in here, and I got them secured over here. But definitely leaking lots of air out the roof. Sun's coming over, our oldest boy. Yeah, 2x4 flat back rafter, one up on edge, replacing all these with 2x6. That one back here will have a cleat hog vertical stiffener run across the 2x6 and making it right now. I'm going to close in the sides with a tapered cut, both sides 3/4 plywood, then an outside rake trim. But the old compressor, yep, she's sitting right over a drip hole, and I don't like it. But we'll do some still pictures. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail. This is just a maintenance deal, but you can tell this thing's had its life, and need to get another well house built if I stay here, tear this thing down, build a whole another one so I've got a good compressor room with ventilation and air and insulated walls. Bears Rod Shop, we've been blessed with good weather, and we don't know how long it's going to last. This is our wonderful stock show time of the year, and it can get nasty here in a few days real quick. So, old compressor I bought in 99 of June. An old Coleman. She's been a good one, and keep her well serviced, but it gets out here in a filthy environment. But God bless, and you guys please continue to watch and subscribe. All right, picking back up here on the 18th of January. My son just left, and we've got it framed back basically like it was, and got new treated lumber up. Built the two headers, and then of course the top plate, and this thing's still pitiful shape, but then we're going to build a bulkhead up here for the door, hang the door, put the sheets on tomorrow, and hopefully she'll survive another few years. But walk around, but all new plates up on the top, new rake plates here, and going to have some air gaps to take care of. So we'll pick back up when we get a little bit further along in the sheeting on it, and but it is the end of the day, and we're calling it quits. All right, here it is, a beautiful day in Texas, and we got Jeremy with my oldest son, with Rhino Fabrications, putting on the R panel, 26 gauge roof, and man, absolutely a gorgeous day today, and he's just bent over backwards, and yeah, it's doing great. So the old well house is going to survive / compressor room, and Going to be hanging the door here shortly, and are getting ready to hang the door. Got some, things that we need to sort out on the door, but yeah. Well, the old well house got finished up yesterday afternoon about 3:30, and all I got to do is put some hinges on the door and put a clasp on it. Nice new R-panel roof. Let's see if we can go around here to the other side. There's a debris left there from the roof tear-off, and then got a couple extra footage of sheets, R-panel, all 26 gauge. Yep, gonna make a cover for that big old bandsaw till I get it sold. But got some Texas Hurricane straps I put in, Jeremy did for me, and I'm gonna go ahead and Thompson water seal. But it's sure nice, big relief to have finally a decent roof over the old compressor / well house. Got the old tin out here. I'm gonna give away. Somebody make some all good signs out of that old. I don't know how old that tin's probably from the 90s. So anyhow, gonna have some of that good old Colorado weather moving in on us, starting in late tonight. It's gonna be out of the north to the northwest over there. And yes, still got all these dead gum Mercedes. Ain't getting no luck, no bites, no buyers. BC Block, you watching these videos, you gotta come get a few of these cars. There's a rare 70 250 4-door sedan, 6-cylinder twin Zenith, 4-speed manual car. I know you could use that old car. That is a keeper right there for somebody. All right, looking off to the south, we're getting a little bit of rain south of us, southeast, and got a lot more repairs to get going. So it's just a quick little video. Well house done, back on the 55 today, and getting it sewed up. And you guys, please give us a little bit of entertainment here. This is just a home kind of improvement real quick. Well house really needed a dozer, but don't have money to put another house up right now. Bears Rod Shop, we're out here for the 20th of January.